One common business planning error that I see frequently, and it's something that's increasing in frequency, is people falling into the make money online, different kinds of programs promising easy revenue. And you know what they say, if it's too good to be true, probably is. So if they promise something to be easy, you've got to be skeptical, because I never promise anything for people to be easy. Even if I think something is relatively easy, at best I say it's doable. But if someone says it's easy, you know what it is? They're trying to sell you something. That's a sales copywriting tactic. Oh, it's going to be easy. Sign up for the program, blah, blah, blah. 1, 2, 3 step program. It's easy to follow. That's just someone selling you something. Or somebody who's a novice, they don't really understand the depths of what they're trying to get you into. So they think it's easy. Those are the only two things. Really, you should assume for anything lucrative, it's going to be at least competitive. So some work will be required. Nothing is easy. And you should never really believe random people online, random people on YouTube videos, pseudo experts. We live in a world today where everyone wakes up in the morning and they think they're an expert, and there's no proof needed for them to be an expert. But you should only listen to people who are actual true experts and multiple experts, because some people are so convinced that in fact they're experts and they're able to put together some sort of a proof that they're expert, but it doesn't make them all knowing. So you need to get multiple opinions. So what's a real expert? I would say a person who's a real expert is somebody who's done something successfully before. Not someone who says they know a guy, or they know they took a course or something. Someone who's done it, not someone who's trying to sell you anything. Even people who have done something, it doesn't mean they know everything. So I'll give you an example of why it's important to get multiple opinions. Whenever I contact even tech support of companies or people in Facebook groups that are supposed experts, I get conflicting opinions or multiple ways to solve a problem. Often people have their own way of solving a problem. They might not see another different or better way of solving a problem. So you want to get multiple opinions and synthesize those opinions. And while oftentimes these make money online programs, at the end of the day, they're not that effective. And even if they are effective, they require a ton of work. So how do you know which ones to get into? Because some of them are reasonable. Some of them do work. And even if it's not easy, it's possible and doable. So how do we know? If you're a first-time entrepreneur, you see what's most important for you, even though you might have financial pressures or time pressures, or you need to make money quickly. What's really important is that you kind of grind your teeth and stub your toe, and that trial by fire, you got to go through that. So whatever the program or the strategy that you're being suggested, if it requires time and hustle more than money, I would say go for it, because even if it's wrong, the time that you put into it and the effort, you learned things, you made yourself a better professional, you gained experience, you got benefits. It wasn't all a loss. As long as you don't lose money, and of course, as long as these programs don't make you do anything unethical. So it's okay to try things. In fact, it will actually benefit you even if you don't necessarily make money. But what if you're not a first-time entrepreneur? If you're not a first-time entrepreneur and you don't want to be making mistakes, you've proven yourself to yourself that you're a hustler, you are a good professional, you go after things, all these things that first-time entrepreneurs actually have to first and foremost prove to themselves. You've already done that. So in your case, you have to identify what's the single best opportunity for you, and you got to go after that. So if somebody says, go do affiliate marketing, or somebody says, go do XYZ or XYZ, can't do it all. I mean, you want to, but you can't do it all successfully because you're going to divide your effort too much. Focus is key. So you have to research what's going to be the best opportunity and then go for that one. So that's the extra step. If you're a first-time entrepreneur, you should still research what's the best opportunity, but you've got to start doing much sooner rather than later, because too long standing on the outside and looking in is very damaging. So first-time entrepreneurs, jump in sooner. Not first-time entrepreneurs, a little more research when you are deciding for what opportunity to go after, because you probably are going to spend a lot of time on it. So it's got to be the best decision there.